and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Mwende, and today I would like to show you how I achieve the afro look. I like it because it's very vintage and very versatile. So welcome, and let's get into this. So I'm starting off with dirty hair that was previously in twists, and what you'll need in this tutorial is just water in a spray bottle and some comb and some hair clips. Yeah, I'm starting by sectioning my hair into manageable sections, and then from each section I'm going to detangle by spraying the water and then using a comb to detangle it, and then I'll twist the hair loosely. Again, you section your hair into manageable sections, and then you spray water onto one section, detangle it, and then you twist it, and then do the same to the rest. Remember, don't really wet your hair because it will take longer to dry. Just spray a little water to help you detangle, so that the hair may be damp and easy to manage or work with. Once the hair is completely dry, you'll come back and undo the twist and comb your hair, and then you'll shape your afro how you want it to look. Just stay tuned and you'll see what I'm talking about. now that we're at the end of the tutorial, you can see how my afro turned out, and I'm pretty impressed with the results. I hope to see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.